This is not just a BMW XM. This is a fully transformed wide-body beast by Lart Design, and from this angle alone, it already looks insanely aggressive. From the very first look, this Lart Design BMW XM instantly stands out with its stealthy matte black finish and bold red accents. This is not your typical luxury SUV. It feels more like a performance machine designed to dominate the road. The color combination plays a huge role here. The matte black absorbs light, giving it a serious and aggressive personality, while the red detailing highlights every sharp line across the body. As we move along the side profile, the wide-body kit becomes the main highlight. The extended fenders give the SUV a much wider and more planted stance. It looks lower, more muscular, and far more powerful than the standard model. The sharp side vents and sculpted panels add depth to the design, making it visually more dynamic from every angle. One detail that really stands out is the red trim running across the window line and body edges. This creates a strong contrast against the black finish and gives the vehicle a premium custom look. It's these small details that make this build feel unique and exclusive rather than just modified. Now let's talk about the wheels, because they play a huge role in the overall stance of the car. The large alloy wheels feature a black base with red accents that perfectly match the body accents. The design looks sporty, aggressive, and perfectly balanced with the wide body structure. Combined with low-profile tires, the SUV looks firmly planted on the ground, ready for performance driving. Moving towards the rear, this is where things get even more aggressive. The sharp LED taillights give it a futuristic identity, while the large rear diffuser adds a race-inspired touch. The exhaust design looks bold and performance-focused, enhancing the overall character of the vehicle. On top, the roof spoiler adds an extra layer of sportiness, while also contributing to aerodynamic efficiency. Another thing worth noticing is how clean yet aggressive the rear design looks. It's not overly complicated, but every element is carefully designed to enhance the SUV's presence. From the angles to the lines, everything works together to create a powerful visual impact. Even though this build is mainly focused on exterior design, we can't ignore what's under the hood. The BMW XM already comes with a powerful hybrid V8 engine that delivers strong performance and instant torque. This means the aggressive styling is not just for looks, it actually matches the performance capabilities of the vehicle. Inside the cabin, the BMW XM offers a completely different experience. While the exterior is bold and aggressive, the interior focuses on comfort and luxury. You get premium materials, advanced digital displays, ambient lighting, and a modern driver-focused cockpit. It's designed to give you both performance and relaxation at the same time. Technology is another strong point of this SUV. From advanced infotainment systems to driver assistance features like adaptive cruise control and lane keeping assist, everything is built to provide a smooth and safe driving experience. This balance between technology and performance makes it a complete package. What truly makes this Lart Design version special is its exclusivity. This is not something you will see on every road. It's built for people who want their vehicle to stand out, to look bold, and to make a strong statement. It reflects personality, confidence, and a love for unique automotive design. Driving a car like this is not just about transportation, it's about presence. The wide stance, aggressive detailing, and premium finish make sure that this SUV gets attention wherever it goes. It feels powerful even when standing still. To sum it all up, the Lart Design BMW XM is a perfect example of how design can completely transform a vehicle. It takes an already bold SUV and turns it into something even more aggressive, more exclusive, and more visually striking. If you're someone who appreciates bold styling, premium detailing, and performance-inspired design, then this build is definitely something special. It's not just a car, it's a statement on wheels.